Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install YouTube Music on your Mac and use it like a standalone app. Let's get started. Now, if you open the App Store on your Mac and search for YouTube Music, you won't find an official macOS app. But don't worry, there's still a simple way to install it and use it just like a regular application. Here's how to do it. First, open Safari on your Mac. In the address bar, type music.youtube.com, then press enter. I'll also leave the direct link in the description below. Once the YouTube Music website loads, go to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Add to Dock. A small window will appear asking you to confirm. You can rename it to YouTube Music if needed, then click Add. And that's it. YouTube Music will now appear in your dock just like a normal app. When you open it, it runs in its own separate window, without browser tabs, giving you a clean, distraction-free music experience. You can also find it in Launchpad or by searching with Spotlight. This method works perfectly and gives you a fast, app-like experience on macOS. And that's how you install YouTube Music on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.